Segmenting a long contact list is surely troublesome. Not when you have FluentCRM. FluentCRM lets you segment your contacts in many ways. You can segment contacts into lists, tags, and of course, dynamic segments. In this video, we'll show you all these basic segmenting options in FluentCRM. Let's get started by creating a list. Because lists are a large segment of your contacts, the benefit of creating one is that you can let your users manage their email preferences. You can see we already have our created list here. If you want to add a new one, click on the Create List and give the list a name from the pop-up. Write the list name under title and the slug will be added. You can include an internal subtitle which is optional. Hit the confirm button and the list will be created. You can create as many lists as you want. FluentCRM sets no limitations on that. Up next, go to tags. Tags are a more precise way of segmenting your contact list. There come our previously generated tags. To add new tags, click Create Tag. Give your tag a name from the pop-up. And click on Create. Again, you can create as many as you want. Finally, let's get to Dynamic Segment. Dynamic Segment is a unique and advanced way of segmenting your contacts by various important data points. Once you create one, the segmentation is carried out automatically. And you can send targeted email campaigns without putting much effort. Let's say we want to create a segment of WooCommerce customers who spent over $500 and made at least 2 purchases. Does that ring a bell? Yes, we want to find high-ticket contacts on our WooCommerce store. To get started, go to FluentCRM dashboard and hover over to the contacts. Then click Segments. Now click Create Custom Segments. The next thing you need to do is name the dynamic segment. We will name our dynamic segment WooCommerce Premium Customers. Now, let's do the magic. Once you have selected the filter category, you need to specify how it should work. For example, we will add a filter of WooCommerce total value. After selecting it, 2 new boxes appeared. The first box contains different conditions, and in the second box, you'll have to put a conditional value. Let's select a greater than and put 500 on the second box. By clicking the plus add icon, we will select another filter named WooCommerce Total Order. Like the previous one, we'll set greater than on and put 2 on the second box. This dynamic segment will list those WooCommerce customers who have spent more than $500 and made at least 2 orders. Want to add more filters? Say no more. Click the plus add icon and hover over to any filter. We'll choose Contact Activities. From the option, let's choose the last email open. Set the appropriate logic and select a date. Let's select before and set the date to 20th July. This dynamic segment will fetch those people who last opened their email before 20th July. And that's how you can segment your audience precisely using FluentCRM, no matter how big your audience is. With FluentCRM, finding the target audience is just a matter of few clicks. One more thing, you can also perform bulk action for a limited number of contacts. Bulk action means selecting some of your contacts and performing a task manually. This can be deleting your contacts, adding them to a specific list of tags, changing contact status, adding contacts to email sequence, adding to automation funnel, and many more. So that's it for this video. In the next one, we'll come up with creating email templates. Till then, stay tuned to WP Manage Ninja.